What's up, guys? Today we're doing Angelina by Pinegrove. It's a great song, not too hard. We're in standard tuning with a capo on the 6th fret. And I do suggest that you use a pick with me. Okay, so if you've heard this song before, you know there's quite a few guitar parts in it, but we're going to learn the one that the lead singer would play on stage, or maybe in like an acoustic version of it. This is like the main part that carries the song that you can sing behind. So we'll start with the intro, which you just saw me play, and it begins with this chord. I'm going to put all the chords up on screen as well. This chord is a pointer finger, your pointer finger on the 3rd string from the top, 2nd fret, and then your ring and pinky on the 5th and 6th strings on the 3rd fret. So you hear them strum it out, then hit a whole bunch of downstrokes, then you start singing. After about 8 downstrokes, I think he starts singing wah as he speeds up. He's going wah. Then he switches to shing. Wah, shing. Cool. This shing chord sucks, but it's only for a second and you have to play it. What I suggest you do is you put your middle finger on the 2nd fret of the 6th string before you have to switch. So you have it down while you're saying wah. Then when it's time to switch, you just pick up your pinky and slide up your ring finger. Shing. Cool. This is the strumming for that. It's down, 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 accent down, down, up, switch. So it's the same strumming for all those chords, pretty much the whole song. It's down, down, accent down, down, up, switch. You hear that? Hopefully. So once you do your down, down, accent down, down, up, switch, you switch back to that same chord from before, but we add our middle finger on the 2nd string from the top, 3rd fret. Okay, so it's wah, shing, win, does. Does is a G chord. Yay, we know that one. Middle finger, top string, 3rd fret, pointer finger, 2nd string from the top, 2nd fret. Does with Angelina. This is an E chord. Looks kind of cool from the top down view. This is still ring and pinky where they've been the whole time. Now we're putting our pointer and middle on the 2nd and 3rd strings from the top on the 2nd fret. Does Angelina. Cool. From the top. Washing windows, Angelina. Okay, so we just finished the intro, which is like section 1, guitar section 1 that you have to learn. There's 3 of them. So we finished the first one, then there's a second one, and then there's a third one, and they repeat. So intro ends on an E, and it has a little transition strum, and then it gets into section 2. The transition strum here, I'll go straight from the G. So it's bum, 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 down, 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 down. Okay? That's the transition strum. Then we go into section 2, which starts on the E once again. So we have the E in the same strumming pattern as the intro. To a D. So, here's a transition for you. Nice. That chord we're switching to, that D, standard D, except one exception. We have the thumb. I want you to get up there on the top string, 2nd fret. If you can. If you can't, it's fine. But I like it to be there. That's the real chord. So you do the same strumming with the D. Then we move to a C. We did it before, but one more exception. That pinky that was there, gone. Should be ringing out that 6th string open. And it's going to be gone for both section 2 and section 3. Your pinky should only be on there for the C and G during the intro. But for the rest of the song, it's open. So it's I don't go to G, stand anything, go back to C. With the same strumming as the intro, strumming as the whole song, same thing. And that's section 2, completely done. So I don't understand anything. Okay, so we finished section 2 on that C. Section 3 begins right here on the C, but we need that transition strum like we had in the verse. Except this transition strum is 1 down, 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 shorter. So let me demonstrate. It's easier to demonstrate than to explain here. So from starting at section 2. Go back to the D. Okay, very similar to section 2. Section 3 is Fa to a G. Still no pinky on. Angles from C, side to side, side to side. So violin angles from side to side. That's section 3. Played fully with the strums. It's that's section 3. You've now learned all the parts you need to play this song, but I'll arrange it for you. So you start the intro, then we did section 2, then we have section 3, then you repeat section 3 again, and you repeat it again. So this is I think this is the verse. Section 3 is like the verse. So it's go violin angels from side to side. That's one. Section 3. How'd you get so tangled up in my life? Section 3 again. How'd you get so caught? Section 3, how'd you get so tangled up? Section 3. Then he goes back to I love you like, sorry, I'm trying to sing, but my voice is gone. He's going, I love you like it's the old days. That's the same part as the intro. So the last section 3 ends, you kind of start strumming, you pull off that middle finger that was on there in the C, you put on that pinky, back to the intro. I love, switch, love you like it's the old days. And that's it, yeah. Back to the intro. You go from that to section 2 once again. When I could ask you anything, that's section 2. How'd you get so tangled up in my life? All the rest of the song, section 3. Okay, that's the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. If I added value to your day, please drop a like. Also consider subscribing. I do all the cool songs that the big boys won't do. And have a great day.